welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Maisha Chanel, and in today's video we are gonna do a skin prep. I'm gonna show y'all the ultimate guide to prep your skin so it can be nice, beautiful, and glowy for either just those sole purposes or if you want to prep your skin for makeup. But we're gonna prep our skin featuring mainly Glow Recipe products. Glow Recipe is very trending. It's effective skincare, but it's also not on the too much of a pricier point. So if you're interested in this type of content, keep on watching and let's jump right into it. So I filmed this video yesterday. I wanted to show y'all the Glow Recipe skincare products that I recommend, but I figured let me actually put the products on my face, you know, so you can see how it works, how the products will look, and all of those things. You can't feel it, but you could at least, you know, see it. So first is first, this is the Plump Hyaluronic Gloss Balm. It is basically like a it's like a gloss treatment, like a lip treatment for your lips. This is how it looks in the inside. And yeah, I'm just gonna put this on my lips. I did cleanse my skin with the avocado cleanser, and it's a really good cleanser. It's like kind of creamy. It leaves your skin like hydrated and soft. It doesn't feel like it strips your skin of any of the natural oils. So I would definitely say check it out. It's a pretty decent cleanser. So first step is going to be the Glow Recipe PHA and BHA Pore-Tight toner, just in case this is the thumbnail. But a lot of people love this toner. It's really good to help, y'all, I ain't open nothing, I'm bugging. It's really good to help minimize the pores and hydrate the skin as well. So it's like a pretty good balancing toner, and it's really, really nice. And it'll come out like this, it'll look like that. And yeah, just use your hands and you're gonna apply your toner. And I even do like my neck, don't ask me that. But we did our toner. That is step one. And just for some extraness, you don't have to do this because I'm gonna be a little extra. I'm gonna go in with the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist just to give me that extra soothing and hydration feeling. But you could do this before makeup, after makeup, just cause there's really no preference. So those are the first three steps we're gonna do. Put something on our lips, tone our skin, and I just went in with the mist. So you're gonna kind of let this kind of sit in your skin for about like 3 minutes or so, and then I would say let's move along to our serum. All right, so now that you let this sit on your skin, you let it absorb, your skin should feel nice and soft, not sticky. I'm gonna do a cocktail of 2 serums. I'm gonna go in with the Pomegranate Firming Serum, really good preventative for like wrinkles, or if you have any signs of aging that you just want to kind of like help fight. It'll definitely help prevent it and firm and tighten the skin. It's for all skin types, all ages. I think a good anti-age serum is needed, especially once you are like in the 25 or up age bracket. Like, girl, now it's time. So I'm gonna go in with that, and it still leaves the skin, like the skin still looks good, like the skin is still, you know, it's still skinning. So I'm gonna go in with that. I don't have any eye cream right now, so I'm gonna put a little under here, but you should definitely put on eye cream. I would recommend like the Guava Bright Eye Cream by them. It's a really good one. I don't have it right now, but it's a good eye cream. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Dewdrops. So the Niacinamide Dewdrops. Niacinamide is amazing for texture, and the Dewdrops is gonna give your skin a beautiful glow. So you guys see, okay, I kind of went overboard, but you guys, you get the picture. Like, we is gonna be glowing. And then once again, I would say because we did our serums, you want to kind of wait. So wait another like 3 or so minutes, and then I would add the moisturizer or like whatever else you're gonna use, because you don't want the products to like not sit in the skin and it'll start to crumble. And you know, if you put on makeup, you'll see it, the products will crumble up on the face because nothing's absorbing, they're mixing too much. So definitely give all the products a little bit of time just to kind of like set. Okay, so after you let everything sit and seep into your skin, I don't have the moisturizer right now, but I do have a sample of it. I'm gonna go in with the Hyaluronic, the Plump. Now I will say this is a lot of hyaluronic acids, a lot of moisture, so I would highly suggest, if you are oily, maybe I wouldn't use as many like glowy products, because you are going to produce some oil. But also, if you have oily skin, this is good, because usually oily skin is producing a lot of oil because your skin kind of needs the oil to come back in. So it's like tricky. Skin is like a tricky thing. And then of course, make sure you do your neck. And I always like to put like whatever is left over on my hands. So this is the moisturizer, the Hyaluronic Plump. I'll put all the products I used on my face today in the description box, so you guys will know like everything I put on my skin. So I kind of let this sit in my skin once again for about a minute or so. It's just really important to kind of let everything seep into the skin, let it melt down before you add that next layer of products. So we're gonna let this seep in our skin, and then we're gonna finish our skin off with our primer, because then we'll get ready to like start transitioning over to doing our makeup. I'm gonna go in with the blur drops anywhere on my face where I would have texture. So that would be like more, not texture, but anywhere on my face where I create oil. And I usually get oily in the center of my skin. So these are my oily spots. And then just let that sit, and it's going to kind of like softly mattify the skin. It's going to smooth the pores. I'm going to come up close and personal so you guys can see. It's going to definitely smooth your pores. And yeah, this is pretty much how I prep my skin before I do makeup. I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup, and then in the last clip I'll show y'all like how everything looks once the makeup is, everything is on my face. If you guys do have any questions, definitely leave it in the comments below, and I'll get back to you and I'll answer whatever questions you have. And yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and then stay tuned so you can see how it looks actually once I put all the